back with another mocktail recipe. Very simple recipe. Let's do it quickly. You need 3 key ingredients and a beautiful glass, and you'll make another beautiful drink. No alcohol, alcohol-free, safe for children, safe for adults, low sugar, pretty good. Not a health buff or health fanatic, but just something that's good and it's not so bad for you. So let's tonight make a mango lime spritz. Mango lime spritz, very easy. So we take equal parts of our skinny syrups, mango, 0 calories, 0 sugar, and non-alcohol, alcohol-free margarita mix, and a Simply Pop prebiotic soda, lime flavored. I'm not endorsing any of these products, and I'm not claiming ownership to any of the music. If you hear music in the background, these are just what I have on hand, and I'm making a mocktail with what I have on hand, not going out buying anything new, just what I have. So as you know, if you know me, you know I like to rim my glasses with something pretty. So let me get my lime, since we're working with lime today. So this is just plain old sweetened lime juice that I keep on hand. You can, actually, I'm not opening this too well. Let's see, here we go. So, since it's just me, I'm going to take some lime juice, put it on my hand, forgive me. Rub it around the rim. Ordinarily, I would take a lime and just, ordinarily I would just take a lime and just rub it around the top, but I'm gonna do it like this since it's just me and it's just for me. I'm gonna take my large crystal Florida, what is this? Organic raw cane sugar. Pour it on a saucer. Just pour a little bit on a saucer. Shake, spread it out. And then I'm gonna dip my rim in the sugar so it will stick to my liking. There we have a light, I don't know if you can see that, but a very nice sugar coating rim. Then I'm going to take 2 ounces, is it 2 ounces? No, 1 ounce, I'm gonna do 1 ounce. 1 ounce equals 2 tablespoons. So I'm gonna take 2 tablespoons of the Skinny Syrups mango flavor, pour it in my glass. Here's 2 tablespoons there. Then I'm gonna do equal part of the margarita mix, non-alcoholic margarita mix, and just put an equal part. So 2 tablespoons of that. That sounds kind of good. Mango and lime. I love lime. Anything citrusy is good with me. Put that lime in there. And then I'm going to, let's see, what am I doing next? Oh, I'm gonna get some ice. Let me get some ice. And because I want it to be a little fancy, just because I have these square ice cubes. They're cubes, actual cubes. So I'm gonna take a few of those. I can't get them out of the, okay, they're supposed to come out easily, but it's in that silicone. Okay, see the square, nice cube. Drop a few of those in the glass to fill the glass a little bit more. And I'm gonna use a prebiotic soda to top it off. So you don't really have to do a lot of stirring because the fizz and the soda will help to mix the flavors together. So I don't know if you can see that. I've got a few ice cubes. I think that's enough. I did 4 ice cubes, 4 blocks of ice. And then This is my Simply Pop prebiotic lime soda. And prebiotic soda is a little bit more healthy. It's a healthier alternative to traditional sugary sodas. It doesn't have as much sugar, and it contains prebiotics, which, as you may or may not know, is good for your gut health. I'm not trying to make any health claims, but it's good for your gut health, and it contains some fiber, and it's lower in sugar, and it's supposedly good for your immune system. I just happen to like it, so I'm not trying to make any claims on anything other than I like it. So I'll top it off with that, just enough to fill the glass. I'm gonna take my straw here and just give it a little stir. Then to garnish it, let's move this over here. To garnish it, I'm taking my lime, which is a little bit ripe, but it's still good. This knife is not too sharp either. I am taking this lime, ooh, that's a lot, and I'm going to do a little slice here just to make it pretty, and put it right here on the edge. And there we have our, wipe this off, mango lime spritz. And let me see what it tastes like. I'm gonna come around so you can see it better. Here's the mango lime spritz. There's, you can see the glass here. Just something pretty. Let me take a sip. No alcohol, alcohol free. Oh my, that's delicious.